How to buy DORA AI token, DORA, by Virtuals, a complete step-by-step guide. Welcome to this in-depth guide on purchasing the DORA AI token, DORA, by Virtuals. If you're new to cryptocurrency or new to the DORA project, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process of buying this token in a clear, easy-to-follow way. But before we begin, please remember, disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional financial advisor, and I am not here to provide investment advice. Please do your own research, DYOR, and evaluate your investment decisions carefully. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and it's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. Now that we have the disclaimer out of the way, let's dive into how you can buy DORA AI tokens, step by step. Step 1. Research DORA AI and Virtuals. Before you jump into buying DORA, it's important to understand the project behind the token. DORA AI is part of a growing trend in the decentralized finance, DeFi, sector, offering innovative solutions related to artificial intelligence, AI. The DORA project is built by the Virtuals team and aims to offer cutting-edge features in the AI space. The project's vision revolves around utilizing AI to enhance financial and blockchain systems, which has garnered attention in the crypto community. However, before you invest, it's crucial to understand the technology behind the token, its use case, and its potential for growth. I recommend starting by visiting the official Twitter and Telegram channels of DORA and Virtuals. By following these channels, you can stay updated on new announcements, partnerships, and potential risks. Keeping an eye on community feedback is an important part of your research. Step 2. Verify token information on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. To further verify that DORA is a legitimate token and to gather important details like its price, market cap, and available trading platforms, it's a good idea to check reputable cryptocurrency data aggregators like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Here's what you need to do. Open your browser and go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Search for DORA AI or DORA in the search bar. Review important data, including the token's current price, market capitalization, and 24-hour trading volume. Make sure the token is listed on trusted platforms and has liquidity in the market. If you find that DORA is listed and has a healthy trading volume, this is a positive sign that the token is established in the market. Step 3. Connect to a supported wallet. To buy DORA tokens, you need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports the base network, which is the network used by DORA. For this guide, we'll use BitKit Wallet as it's flexible and user-friendly. Other wallets that support the base network, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, can also be used if you prefer. Here's how to set up and connect your wallet. Download and install BitKit Wallet. If you don't already have BitKit Wallet installed, visit their official website or download the wallet from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Avoid third-party sites to reduce the risk of downloading malicious apps. Create a new wallet. After installing the wallet, open the app, and you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Choose a strong password and make sure to back up your recovery phrase in a safe place. Your recovery phrase is crucial for restoring access to your wallet if you lose your device. Fund your wallet. To buy DORA, you'll need to have some funds in your wallet. USDT, Tether, is the most common stablecoin used for transactions. You can transfer USDT, ETH, or other assets from an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken into your BitKit wallet. Set up the base network. In the BitKit wallet, you'll need to add the base network. This can be done by going to the network settings, selecting Add Custom Network, and entering the network information for base. You can find this information on the DORA AI website or other trusted sources. Step 4. Find the DORA token contract address. To purchase DORA AI, you'll need the DORA token contract address. This is the address that allows your wallet to recognize the DORA token and interact with the base network. Visit the official DORA website. Go to the official DORA AI website. Be sure to only use the official links from trusted sources like the project's Twitter or Telegram group to avoid phishing scams. Find the token contract. On the website, look for the section where the token contract address is provided. It will typically be listed as a long alphanumeric string, for example, 0xABCDEF12345678890. Make sure to copy this address, as you'll need it to add the token to your wallet. Double-check the contract address. Always double-check the contract address from multiple sources, such as the official social media channels, to avoid any errors. A wrong contract address could result in you buying the wrong token. Step 5. Add the DORA token to your wallet. Once you have the contract address, you can add the DORA token to your wallet. Here's how to do it using BitKit Wallet. Open your wallet. Launch the BitKit Wallet and navigate to the Assets or Tokens section. Select the Add Token option. Click on the plus symbol icon to add a new token. You'll be prompted to enter the token's contract address. Paste the DORA contract address. Paste the DORA token contract address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Add the token. After pasting the address, the wallet should automatically pull up the token's details, such as the token symbol and decimals. Confirm the details and click Add. Once this is done, DORA should now appear in your wallet, ready for purchase. Step 6. Swap for DORA AI tokens. Now that your wallet is connected and you have the DORA token in your wallet, you can proceed to buy DORA tokens using USDT or another stablecoin that you have in your wallet. Here's how to do it. Go to the Swap section. In your BitKit wallet, navigate to the Swap section, where you can exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Select the token to swap. In the From field, select the token you want to swap for DORA, which is likely USDT or ETH. Select DORA as the token to buy. In the To field, search for the DORA token. You should see it pop up once you've added it to your wallet. Choose the amount. Enter how much you'd like to purchase. You can either input the amount of USDT or ETH you want to swap, and the system will calculate how many DORA tokens you'll receive in return. Review the transaction. Make sure the slippage tolerance is set appropriately, usually 1 to 2% is fine. Double-check the transaction details, including the fees, gas fees, involved. Confirm the swap. Once you're ready, click Swap to proceed. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Approve the transaction, and your tokens will be swapped. Step 7. Pay gas fees and complete the transaction. When making any transaction on the blockchain, you'll need to pay gas fees to process the transaction. Gas fees vary depending on the network congestion. Since DORA uses the base network, make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover these fees if you're swapping from USDT or another token. Check your gas fees. The wallet will show you the estimated gas fee before confirming the transaction. If the fee is too high, you can adjust the slippage or wait for a less busy time on the network. Confirm the transaction. After you confirm the gas fee, the swap process will begin. The transaction will take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on network conditions. Step 8. Verify your tokens. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see your DORA tokens in your wallet. It's a good idea to refresh the wallet and check that the balance has been updated. You can also check the transaction history in your wallet to confirm the swap. Step 9. Secure your tokens. For long-term storage, it's important to ensure that your DORA tokens are stored securely. If you're not planning to trade the tokens anytime soon, consider transferring them to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These wallets are more secure than software wallets and reduce the risk of hacks or phishing attacks. Conclusion. And that's it. You